What is an important law or right that everybody should know? 1. The law of gravity. I feel that a lot of kids don't realize that if you jump from high places, that you will not land softly. 2. Something people don't understand. Ignoring court papers, particularly in evictions or mortgage foreclosure, does not help you or make the problem go away. They can and will still get you kicked out. Don't ignore court papers, please. 3. Just because you have the right to free speech doesn't mean you can deny me my right to free speech. 4. For anyone who has collections agents after them, FDCPA. Collection agents break the law routinely. If you document it and notify them of possible legal action, your debt will likely disappear and you are often entitled to damages, subject to state law. 5. Your right to remain silent anytime you deal with the police. The only words you should ever say to them is, "I wish to speak to my attorney." 6. For Californians, Unruh Civil Rights Act. Basically, businesses have to offer the same services to all without discrimination. Seems pretty standard, but this applies to girls' night only, or girls drink free for less. As a dude who likes to go out, this has come in handy a few times. 7. You've got to fight for it, but your right to party. Thankfully, a group of freedom fighters known as the Beastie Boys made a lot of headway in the mid to late 1980s. About this very right. Tired of seeing the oppressed youth, they, through the power of music, have helped man achieve an unprecedented level of partying rights. They moved on to other causes after the fight for party rights had been won, but society will never forget their first cause, nor should they. 8. If you live in Quebec, Montreal in particular, you are protected by the Régie du Logement. Your landlord can only increase the price of your apartment by 1% per year or 3% if major renovations have occurred. You have the right to see what the last tenant has paid for your apartment, and if it is more than 1%, you can contest this with the Régie. I say this because there are a lot of idiots out there who don't check, and the landlords jack up the price on apartments to obscene rates, and the locals suffer for this. 9. Blinkers aren't on your car for shits and giggles. Use them.